Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone 15. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, many users have facing this issue on iPhone 15 series. So in this video, I am telling you how to fix this error. So guys, first thing is to reset the network settings. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can tap on general and scroll down. Now you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it. Here you can see reset. Tap on it. Now you can see reset network settings. Just simply tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode. After entering your passcode, the network settings will be reset. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is restart your device. So for restarting your device, just simply tap on settings. Here you can appear on the screen general, and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be shut down. After 15 to 20 seconds, press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo is appear and fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is turn on the airplane mode. So just simply tap on settings. Here you can see airplane mode. Tap on it. Here you can see airplane mode is turned on. Then after 10 to 20 seconds, turn off back. So from control center, you can see airplane mode. So turn it on and turn it off to fix your problem. If this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is just tap on settings. Here you can see Bluetooth. Tap on it. Now you can see turn it off, and after 20 to 30 seconds, turn it on back and fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech video. Thanks for watching.